how to set the press volume buttons to take picture or record video in camera on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, open up the camera app. Then we go to the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, in here, we then scroll down. Go down to the general section and tap on shooting methods. In here, tap on press volume buttons too. And if you want to set the volume buttons to take picture or record video, you select on that option. Otherwise, other options are zoom in or zoom out, control volume sound. So here, if we go back to the camera, you can see I can press on the volume button to take a picture. So it doesn't matter whether you press on the volume up or volume down button, it will allow you to take a picture. So this can be handy. So let's say if I try to take a selfie and I hold my camera this way, so I can hold my camera this way using the selfie. I can press on the volume button. So here I can hold it like that and then press on the volume button. This will allow me to take a picture while taking a selfie. So instead of trying to press on the button over here, I can simply just hold this and then press on the volume button, which is quite useful. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.